Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So, children, yes, we have already completed our third chapter, that is the tug of war. Yes, so children, in the last class, we have discussed the question answers in reading part, section A and section B. So, children, section A, section B we have discussed in our last class. So, children, in today's class, we are going to discuss section C, D, E and grammar. Okay, open your English textbook page number 34 and come to here section C. Pick a sentence from the story that shows that the hare was a naughty animal, and second one, hippo was fed up of the hare. The third, rhino thought that the hare was being helpful. And the fourth one, rhino and hippo were ashamed of themselves and wanted to kill the hare. So children, what we have to do, there are 4 sentences. Okay, so we have to pick a sentence from the story that shows that the hare was a naughty animal. Okay, for example, see here. So see here, children. Yes, it gave him a great pleasure to trouble other animals. Means hippo was a naughty animal. Yes. So children, it gave him a great pleasure to trouble other animal. Yes, children. So this sentence shows that the hare was a naughty animal, isn't it? So children, like that we have to pick a sentence from the story that shows that the hippo was fed up of the hare and that rhino thought that the hare was being helpful. Is that clear? For example, see here, there is one line in our textbook in this story that it gave him a great pleasure to trouble other animals. That means, children, the hare was a naughty animal, isn't it? Okay. So like that, the hippo was fed up of the hare. For example, see here, at last hippo replied in the hope of getting some peace and quiet that a tug of war. All right, I will show you my little long-eared nuisance. Yes, children, here you can see. Yes, children, see. So, children, this sentence shows that yes, it gave him a great. So at last hippo replied in the hope of getting some peace and quiet. A tug of war. All right, I will show you my little long-eared nuisance. So children, this sentence shows that this sentence shows that hippo was fed up of the hare. Yes, children, this sentence shows that the hippo was fed up of the hare. Yes, is that clear? So now come to the third one. So rhino thought that the hare was being helpful. So children, rhino thought that the hare was being helpful. So let's pick a sentence from the story that shows that the rhino thought that the hare was being helpful. So children, that was most kind of you, said the unsuspecting rhino. Yes, that was most kind of you, said the unsuspecting rhino. So this line is in the story. It shows that the hippo thought that the hare was being helpful. So children, जब वो जो हेयर बोलता है कि मैं तुम्हारे ईयर्स में से क्या कर रहा हूँ, आंट निकाल रहा हूँ, आंट्स, तो तब हिप्पो को क्या लगता है, वो तो मेरी, तब राइनो को क्या लगता है, ओ ये हेयर कितना अच्छा है, मेरे ईयर्स में से क्या कर रहा है, ये ईयर्स निकाल रहा है. यस, तो क्या सोचता है, देखो कितना अच्छा है. दैट वॉज मोस्ट काइंड ऑफ यू, said the unsuspecting rhino. Yes, children, so this sentence shows that rhino thought that the hare was being helpful. वो क्या करना चाहता है, मुझे हेल्प करना चाहता है, वो कितना दूसरों की हेल्प करता है. यस, तो बच्चों, नाउ कम टू द फोर्थ वन. Rhino and hippo were ashamed of themselves and wanted to kill the hare. Yes, children, see here. Roaring with anger, they charged after Umunla, hoping to trample him. Yes, before he could tell the animals how foolish they had been. Yes, children. So Tell me. See here. Roaring with anger, they charged up Umunla, hoping to trample him before he could tell the other animals how foolish they had been. So children, this sentence shows that Rhino and Hippo were ashamed of themselves and wanted to kill the hare. Isn't it? Okay. So now come to the section C, section D, think and answer. Okay, I will send a PDF, don't worry about that. But here, what we have to do, we have to discuss the question answers. Okay, so just here you understand what's the meaning of these words and what's the answer. How? Okay, you have to discuss here the question answers. Okay, children. So see here, come to the section D, think and answer. Hippo thought Umunla was acting silly. Do you agree, children? Tell me. Yes, Hippo thought Umunla was acting silly. Do you agree? वो उमुंडला हिप्पो क्या सोचता है, एक कितना सिली बिहेवियर कर रहा है. यस, तो एक कितना एकदम एक सिली बिहेवियर कर रहा है. तो डू यू एग्री विद दिस चिल्ड्रन दैट हिप्पो थॉट उमुंडला वाज एक्टिंग सिली? सो चिल्ड्रन, यस, वी ऑल एग्री. यस और नो? टेल मी. Yes, children, think and answer. Once again, I will repeat the question. Hippo thought Umunla was acting silly. Do you agree with that? No, children. Why? Because we already know that Umunla was not acting silly. He was trying to play a trick on Hippo just to have some fun. Because Umunla was a very naughty animal. Yes, he likes to irritate other animals. Yes, children. So no, children, Umunla's way of... So children, no, Umunla was not acting silly. He was trying to play a trick on Hippo just to have some fun. So children, now come to the question number 2. Okay. Both Hippo and Rhino were tricked by Umunla. What does this tell us about them? Yes, children, once again I will repeat the question. Both Hippo and Rhino were tricked by Umunla. So what does this tell us about them, children? Yes, तो बच्चों दोनों क्या हो गए, उमुंडला के ट्रिक में फंस गए. तो ये हमें क्या दिखाता है, इससे हम क्या समझते हैं बच्चों? So see here, this tell us that both of them were rather foolish. Yes, हमें ऐसे लगता है कि वो दोनों एक उसकी बातों में आ गए, शायद वो फुलिश हैं. Yes, this tell us that both of them were rather foolish. Yes, so Umunla's way of having fun was cruel way. Yes, children, he caused much pain to Rhino and needlessly disturbed Hippo. What do you think, children? Yes. So now come to the section E. They have had fun. The hare had fun. Do you think he had fun in the best way possible? Give reasons for your answer. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि उसने क्या किया, इंजॉय किया. किसने? उमुंडला ने. यस, तो उसका जो फन करने का या फिर जो इंजॉय करने का जो तरीका था, क्या वो सही था बच्चों? यस, क्या वो दूसरे तरीके से भी खुद को क्या कर सकती थी, इंजॉय कर सकती थी? इस तरह से एक बड़े एनिमल्स को इस तरह से परेशान करना, क्या ये सही था? यस, व्हाट डू यू थिंक चिल्ड्रन? टेल मी. यस, उसको सिर्फ मज़े करने थे. किसको? उमुंडला को. जी, इस तरह से किसी इंसान को, किसी एनिमल्स को परेशान करके इंजॉय करना ये ठीक है, या फिर वो कुछ और तरीके से भी वो इंजॉय कर सकती थी? यस, कर सकता था उमुंडला. तो बताओ बच्चों, what do you think that he had fun in the best way possible? Give reason for your answer. So children, no. Yes, Umunla's way of having fun was very, very cruel. Yes, children, he caused much pain to Rhino and needlessly disturbed Hippo. जिस तरीके से उसने हिप्पो को और राइनो को जिस तरह से टग ऑफ वॉर के लिए उकसाया और जिस तरह से राइनो के ईयर्स में जो आंट्स डाले, ये बहुत ही क्रूअल था. यस चिल्ड्रन, आप देखो उस वजह से आज भी हिप्पो क्या है, राइनो क्या है, एक शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड एनिमल है. अभी भी उसको ऐसे लगता है कि वो जो आंट्स हैं उसकी ईयर्स में अभी तक है. यस चिल्ड्रन, तो जो नीडलेसली उसने क्या किया, हिप्पो को डिस्टर्ब किया और फिर ही caused much pain to rhino. Isn't it, children? So what Umunla's did, it was very cruel. So Umunla's way of having fun was a cruel way, and he caused much pain to rhino and needlessly disturbed hippo. Yes, children? Okay, so the next part, the grammar part, children, we will continue in our next class. Okay, so children, till then, stay home, stay safe, and complete your fair. The grammar part, adverb, we will continue in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Okay, children? Thank you.